There were two rounds. Starting with the aptitude, it's a GSET paper by Samsung. All of the Samsung subsidiaries like Samsung, India Software Center, Cell, CISO, all of them do this. It's purely aptitude, nothing technical in this. And then they select 20 students out of 45. Then they'll go. Then we'll go for I think technical interview and then HR interview. This is the complete procedure. Then I went for technical. There are some questions regarding data structure and algorithms, and some of them are regarding networking. Data structures, they ask me, is it like we have some linked list like queue, circular linked list, doubly linked list. Then they give me some new structures or new designs of linked list, and they ask me whether these are possible or not. So I have to cross check them, like one node is connected to another, and then there should be a complete whatever the things that we need to that are needed for a linked list to be completed. So I have given them some answer. I think I have completed 4 out of 5 or 6 structures, and then he cross questioned something like how did you check and these all things. Another question is for difference between letter Indianness and big Indianness. Then he asked me about complexity of heap sort, which I answered easily. And one question is he gave me some codes of C language in C language, and tell me are there any error in those codes and how to compile them or how to connect them. Like they all code belong to the same program. I have to check them whether the function is in another code or so. This kind of thing, like 3 or 4 codes, and I have to check them that error or it will show some output or this. Then he asked me some questions regarding operating system. One is difference between thread and process, which is a normal question, and one is what is Banker's algorithm, and he told me to write algorithm. Final question in my technical was regarding final year project. It was on cyber warfare, and then he asked me some details. I gave them some details. The next round was HR. He started with asking about some initial background and tell me about yourself kind of thing. So I told him about my initial background, my family background and educational background, schooling, then college life, and he was mainly concentrated on the college life like CGPA or sports activities or music, drama, any extra ECAs. Then he asked me about strengths and weaknesses. I told him that I am meticulous and organized person, and in weaknesses that I have learned in my summer training, that I am not that up to date of technology. That the project I have done in summer training in third year of college, the same project has already been completed in China and Japan, like in 10th or 12th class. I mean 5 years ago. So and then he'll ask one more question. It's regarding further education like MS or MBA kind of thing. So I told him that I don't have enough money there. Like you're supposed to have 20-30 lakhs for 1 or 2 year of degree. So but I told him that I don't have enough money, so I cannot go for. I have to go for a job. And Samsung is the best place where I can find a good and suitable R&D profile. Then he asked about my summer training. Then I told him that I have completed it in Mumbai by Dream Labs. It's a startup company for iPod and iPad application development. I explained about my project, and he asked some questions regarding the project. The last question in my HR interview was like any queries or any questions you have. So I asked him about how was your working experience in the company. Like he has worked for 5 or 10, I think 10 years around in the company. And one question I asked is like what is my growth in the company, because basically obviously I have to go for some growth, and this is how it ends. For tips, you need to have strong aptitude, because the return was totally based on aptitude, no technical question so far, as such. And then in technical interview, they generally ask about operating system, data structures, and C language. Major part will be covered by data structures, and you need to have a strong and deep knowledge of these subjects, and be confident, and all the best for your future.